Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
कोविडा उपरांत अर्थव्यवस्था आणि अडचणींतल्यान उद्देगांक उबारी दिवंक म्हूण केंद्र सरकारान MSME सकल वेगवेगळे स्किमी डिक्लेअर केल्ल्यो. गोंयचो सरकारूय मायनिंग सुरू करपाच्यो गजाली करता. 21 मेक गोंय बार्ज धनी संघटनेन EDC कडेन 57 मोठ्यो आनी 16 ल्हान बार्जी सारक्यो करूंक रिणाक अर्ज केल्लो. मात फक्त नवे एसेट तयार करूंकच रीण दिता म्हूण रजाव दिवन EDCन अर्ज भायर मारलो.
There are about 80 big barges, that is 2,000 tonner barges in Goa, and about 30 small barges owned by about 56 people who are members of our Goa Barge Owners Association. आणि झाला कितें की we do not have money for repairs. Somehow we are still borrowing money, and we have to repair these barges. We had requested EDC because no other bank is giving us funds, as we had become NPA, non-performing assets. So because of that, no bank is giving us funds to repair the barges, money to repair the barges. So therefore, we had requested EDC to fund us so that we could repair the barges, and we are willing to give the collateral security or whatever security is required for that. But even they have declined because they have conveyed to us that it is not possible for us to do. Now if mining restarts, maybe after a month, 5 months, 6 months, whatever time, as CM says, our barges need to be repaired. And therefore funds are required. If the funds are not forthcoming from the banks, we are going to be in deep trouble. So we request the government, especially the CM, to call for a meeting with EDC and see that some funds are arranged for the repairs of the barges and bring the barges back in condition.
2012 मेरेन गोंयकारांकडेन 304 बार्जी चलताल्यो. आतां मोठ्यो फक्त 82 आनी ल्हान 30 बार्जी उरल्यात. 50 गोंया भायर आसात. रिपेराक आयिल्ल्यांचो आंकडो पळयल्यार गोंयांत एकूय बार्ज सध्या धड ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.